What's up you guys? So welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a full face of using my mom's makeup today. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face. I've been off of this channel for 3 weeks now, but I am back and I'm ready to make videos for you guys. If you guys did not know, me and my boyfriend started a channel together, and that will be down below, like in the description, so you guys can go check out mine and my boyfriend's channel. We have a video uploaded already on the channel. It is our morning routine, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna stop talking and just get on with this video. So like I said, I am gonna do a full face of using my mom's makeup. Now you guys, I watched a lot of these videos, and a lot of people's moms only have a small bag, like even smaller than this bag. You guys will see at the end that my mom isn't a typical mom. She has so much makeup, you guys. It's like crazy. She has more makeup than I have makeup. It's just, you guys will see at the end. And I literally had to pick out all the makeup that I see her using every day, which is all of this here. And it was pretty hard because my mom has a lot of makeup. She has a lot of eyeshadows, she has a lot of highlighters, a lot of brushes, a lot of bronzers, a lot of foundations. But luckily, I do watch her do her makeup most of the time, so I know what she uses. So let's just dig in this beautiful makeup. I'm not even gonna lie, I am excited because my mom has a lot of makeup, and there's a lot of the makeup in here that I have not used. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna just put my hair up in a bun, which obviously I already did. So first, let's see. Okay guys, so the primer that I grabbed to use for this look that I'm going to do is a more luminous, glowy look, and it's called the Becca A First Light Primer Filter. So I put the primer on my face. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gives it like a very light, luminous look, I guess you can say. At least I notice it. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera. You guys probably can't, but it does. Okay, so the foundation that I'm going in with is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I've had this foundation before. I know she uses this because it's like her all-time favorite right now. And it's a really good foundation. I love it. It has like coconut oil in it. It's like really good for your skin, and it looks great on your skin, to be honest. So we're going in with this foundation in Sand. This is like 2 shades darker than my skin tone, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so if you guys can tell, I already put the foundation on. It just looks like this. If you guys can tell, it is darker than my skin tone. The next thing we're gonna go in with is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I do not own this, but I have tried it because my mom has like 3 shades of this one. I just grabbed the one that I think that she would use for her skin tone. The one I'm using is Light Medium Honey. So let's see how this will look. Hopefully I grabbed the right color because I am a little bit darker with this foundation. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think I put way too much right there. Oh well. Okay. I forgot to say that I'm also using my mom's sponge. So okay, so I just put the concealer on. If you guys can tell, I think I used a shade that was a little bit too light for her skin. I don't know, it just does not look good right now, I feel like, but who knows, maybe when I edit this it'll look a lot better. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do are my eyebrows. We're gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay in medium brown, and then we're gonna use this brush with it, which is a Sephora brush. So let's just get to it. Okay, so I just did one of my eyebrows and now I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll fix it up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so if you guys can tell, I did my eyebrows already. This eyebrow was being very stubborn and like it just wasn't working out. So I just gave up and I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna move on. Next, we're gonna go in with the It Cosmetics 5x4 Fresh Finishing Powder for under the eyes, so it does not crease on me, because I'm not sure if this is going to crease on me if I don't put anything on top of it. So just looks like that. So what brush am I going to use? Shit, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So we're gonna use this brush for it. It is the e.l.f. small tapered brush, but we're just gonna use it for this. Ooh, my goodness, I've never used this, and this stuff is, wow, very pigmented. Shoot, this is way too much. No, okay, hopefully this does not come out so bad. We're just gonna tap it on, kind of like leave it on for like baking. Okay, go. Okay. All right, now we're just gonna leave it like that for now, and then later we'll like brush it off. So now we are going to go in with some eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which looks like this. I wanted this palette for the longest time, and my mom, I guess, beat me to the punch and bought it. So I felt like I didn't need to buy it, I'll just use my mom's. We are going to go in with, let's see, we're gonna go in with Peaches and Cream, which is the bottom shade down here. And the brush that I will be using, I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. The brush I'll be going in with is an Urban Decay Naked brush. This looks like this. It's like a duo brush. So we're gonna go with this one. Just gonna grab the Peaches and Cream color and just put it all over the lid as like a base. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is Pure, which is this shade right here. I did not like this brush, so we're not gonna be using that brush. I think I'm gonna use this brush, and then yeah. So we're gonna use this brush, which is like a flat brush, and I have no idea who it's from because it does not say. So we're just gonna get that color and just put it on the lid, and then we'll put it up to the crease and then blend it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so that's the best I can do right now. I mean, I'm not used to these brushes. I'm used to what I have, so this is very difficult for me for some reason, but we're just gonna move on. So the next color that I'm going to use is Summer Yum, which is this color right here. This color I feel like I'm going to love. I can tell by just looking at it. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to use this one. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brush, which is the eyeshadow, just as eyeshadow brush. I don't know who it's from, but we'll be using this. We're gonna put this color on the lid. Okay, so if you guys can tell, I did this eye already. I'm going to go in with this one and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is this H2O proof Wet n Wild eyeliner. So let's see how this goes because I haven't used this since, I don't even know when was the last time I used this, to be honest. So wish me luck. Okay, so if you guys could tell, I just did my eyeliner and I have never made it this thick before. I'm just not a fan of the eyeliner, so I'm just not gonna even worry about it and I'm gonna move on. So next I'm gonna use is bronzer. The bronzer I'll be using is the Butter Bronzer, which looks like this. It is in the color Light Bronzer. That's all it says. I love the smell of this. I've always have. I just love it. Okay, so what are we gonna use? I think we're gonna use this brush for it. This is, doesn't say a name on it. It just says 300. So we're just gonna use this brush. Okay, so I fell in love with this bronzer. I love how it looks and I love how it smells. I think I'm gonna have to go buy this one. It's amazing. I really like that one. For blush, we are going to be using the Peach Pink, which looks like this. And the brush we will be using, I think we're gonna use this brush, this big fluffy brush. Okay, let's see how this looks. I like this one. I like blushes, you guys, that is like you can see it but it's subtle, because I'm not like a big blush person, but if I feel like wearing blush, I want something settled, nothing too like right in your face, you know. Next we're going to be using is highlighter. The highlighter we're going to be using is this Cover FX highlighter in Moonlight. I'm not sure if this is like a highlight. I feel like this is more like you put it in your foundation and it gives you this glowy, really glowy look, I'm guessing, because it looks very glowy. but I feel like it can also work as like a liquid highlighter. So that's what we're gonna be doing. If you can tell, it just looks like this. I've always wanted to try this thing out for like the longest time, so I'm pretty excited. Okay guys, so my camera died and I just kept on going, and I'll just explain to you guys what I did because it's not that hard for you guys to do on your own. So if you guys saw, I used this for highlighter first, and let me just say I fell in love with this. I need to go buy it. It's perfect if you're going for that luminous look. If you hear noise in the background, I apologize. It is my cats. They are trying to get attention. I think they just love making noise when I'm making videos. On top of that, I use this highlighter here, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Gold Bar. This is also really good. I suggest you guys go try it out for the price it is. I think it's like only $5. Go try it out if you haven't. It works really good. I love it for like a drugstore highlighter. It's pretty good. Next, I curled my eyelashes with this Tarte eyelash curler thing, whatever you call it. And then I use this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I love this bad boy. It just works so good. If you haven't tried it out, which I would be very surprised, go try it out. This is my full face of makeup using my mom's makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching my videos. If you guys have videos that you guys are interested in and would like me to do, let me know, comment below, because to be honest, I'm running out of ideas for some reason right now. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try my hardest to go back to the routine of uploading at least once a week, and hopefully later on I can do 2 times a week. That would be great. So I believe that's everything I wanted to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye guys.